They told you it was too late. Too late to start over, too late to dream again, too late to become the person you were meant to be. But dreams don't come with expiration dates. They wait, patiently, for you to believe again you are not your past. You are the author, and the pen is still in your hand. Rewrite your story, tear out the pages of doubt, ink new chapters of courage, of growth, of fire. Because the jungle of life doesn't reward the fastest, it rewards the bold, the ones who dare to begin again. Dreams don't expire, but excuses do.